Small kitchen interior design ideas. If you are searching for the small space kitchen, then you are at the right place. Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to welcome you on my channel Home Interiors. How are you all? I hope you all will be fit and fine. As I have told you that in this video you are watching the small kitchen ideas inspiration, and I hope that these ideas will really inspire you. We all dream of a spacious kitchen with sky-high ceiling and tons of natural light pouring through massive windows. In reality, though, most of us make do with small, oddly shaped ones. But it does not have to be so bad. In fact, with the right small space solutions and stylish design ideas, it really does not matter what size your space is. Keep watching this video. Here I am showing you the beautiful and clever and chic small kitchen interior design ideas to steal, so you never feel like a claustrophobic cook again. We are sure these ideas will help you to make the most of your counter space and cabinetry. I hope these ideas will help you a lot. You will need all the task lighting you can get in a small kitchen. Plus, is anyone actually going to notice how big or small your kitchen is when you have got an amazing piece of statement lighting? Definitely not. We are also loving the mixed metals and olive green paint in our kitchen. You can use your green thumb. Plants makes everything feel happier, even small kitchens as well. If you get great light, why not make use of it? So use some type of things in your kitchen that will makes you happy. In this video, we are showing you beautiful designs of a small space kitchen. If you enjoy this video, hit the like button. Subscribe our channel, share this video. It's time to say goodbye. Provide your feedback. We will wait for your feedback. Thank you so much.